tell you, sir, I want to. Like you said, it's the problem of the government. If the government need to solve it, we need to get the money. The government need to pay the money. Like there is a starvation is happening, the poverty is happening. So we need to fix that problem with only the money.
So after doing the exam, we are doing the exam for the job only, and in the job we will get the salary. So we indirectly we are working for the money only.
With the help of the money, I can get the happiness from the people. Like you can see, there are too many of poor people, the YouTubers and the people, etc. People who help them. They help them financially, not that they give them happiness. They give them financially happy.
So hello friends, today we are going to have a debate on very interesting topic: money versus happiness. We are on the money side, and the opponents against us are on the happiness sides. So yes, today we are going to conclude this debate, and let's end this topic. Which is more powerful, money or happiness?
So by the money, our basic needs are completed or fulfilled. Because by the money, we can buy our fulfillments like the food, and we can buy medicines for us if we have any disease.
That people said that in the case of happiness there is a 64% of happiness, so it's a wrong, because in our India or in the whole world 80% of the additional happiness because of the money only. Now that you can say that, take the example of the our Skulls. He's a psychology professor who take the many example, and now he now live in the Pennsylvania in a Moco college. But now according to him, the money is only the way to change our life, to conclude our in this include that our dream that we want to in our life, that we achieve things in long term of goals, in also short term of goals that we want, because it's completely complete by our only money. Thank you.
Money is better than the happiness. How you can say that? I'm going to prove it. Because of the money, you are able to live. Like you want water, you buy from the money. You want clothes, you buy from the clothes shop from money. You want to talk with your friends on the mobile, you buy the mobile from the money. Everything is made from the money. Is everything need money. So how you can say the happiness is better than it? And because of the happiness, most of the people, how you can say the money? Because without money, people are happy. As you can see, a little bit ago, there was a family who was living, and their children was naked, and they did not have any kind of food. They were suffering from the starvation. So because of the money, if we would give them some money, so they would get happiness. So because of the money, we are able to give the happiness.
Money and happiness is interlinked, and there is a quote which says that money can't buy happiness, but money really can't buy happiness. The money, because of the money only. For example, you like the pizza. With the help of happiness, that yes, I will eat pizza, you can't buy the pizza, but because of the money you can buy the pizza. So money can really buy happiness. There are so many things in our world which is only bought by the happiness only, and there are so many programs which we can attend by the money only. Dhruv Rati courses and C++, etc. things. There are so many things which we have happiness while taking or learning those things, but all these things happens because of the money only.
Do you know one fact about it? That when we got some smile and when we laugh because the crack the job, or because of the when we got something new like toy people, when the little students or children got some toys or some that they want, so they got happy. So because of that, in our internal body part, that chorophobia is a disease that is caused by the happiness only.
Now you guys start.
In our team, our topic is happiness. So first of all, I am telling you about the happiness. Happiness, according to me, happiness is a positive emotion which can engage in our body, and happiness is very important in our life, because it can, if a person can do happiness in her life, so his confidence level will increase.
So, by the money we cannot buy the happiness. And I want to tell you about that if you have not happiness, so you have to live alone and you feel very boring. And if you are happy, so you feel very happy and very feel good. And you can buy money, you can live many years, but by happiness, if you will die, so you will die by the happiness. And by the money, you can buy all things, but not happiness.
Happiness is very important thing in our life because we it take example of a poor family. He have no money, he have happiness. He live very happy life and he live with happily, but his father not go to job and not earn money, but the happiness is alive.
All people said that money can buy anything, but how money can buy the feelings?
We all know about happiness is the source of feeling, and it comes internally. And if you are happy and feel happiness very goodly, so that is very good thing for your health, and you are feeling very good in morning. We go for walking and for our health, and we feel very good in fresh air, and feel very good because of it is the reason of happiness. We feel happiness.
I'll tell you about the happiness. Happiness is the better than the money because money is the not good because all time people are also too wasting on the drinks, cigarettes, also in the
Happiness is very important in our life. He don't buy money. You have say money is better than happiness. Happiness is important in our life because
My family happy because
happiness is very important our life. Happiness is a very important our life because you are happy. Life is very short, and you do not happy. Life is very long, and you happy and you spread happiness in others. You lots of enjoyness, you lots of positivity attitude.
Happiness are very beautiful thing, and
Life of beautiful happiness.
Is that you can buy the happiness from the money. Like you are studying English because the sir is teaching you for money. If you would not give the money to the sir, so the sir would not teach you. Like most of the time he is learning from the sir, so he did not give money to the sir, so sir would comment him and try to contact him and try to take money from him. And if he did not give the money to the sir, so sir would not teach him. And for the, like, you can say the sir is making video for the YouTube because in the YouTube there is a too much chances of getting money. Thank you.
So first example that money is more important than the happiness is that because of the money only we are able to reach our basic needs. In our basic needs, what things come? Education, knowledge, and our daily tasks. For example, eating food, living proper life, doing job. And for what we are doing job, we are mostly doing job for money. And if the job will not give us money, then we will surely leave the job. And on the other hand, basic needs, if because of being happy we can't buy the things, because of the only money we can buy the things. And there are so many other points of personal development. There are so many points of personal development that because of the money only we can develop our personality, our IQ, EQ, and etc things. Because for example, there is a YouTuber XYZ on the YouTube, and he or she is selling a course, but that course is in the fee. Because of being happy that yeah, she or he is selling this course, I can finally develop my personality. But you can't enroll in that course because of the money. You don't have money. But on the other hand, you will have money. Then what will happen? You can enroll in that course. And what we are living for in this world, in this society, we are only doing everything for money. If we are being IBAPS and other officers, other things, YouTuber, gamer, etc things, we are only doing it for the money.
As you know that sometimes what's happened that people they sacrifice their life full of in the UPSC exams, in the IAS exams. They want to become a great leader in the whole world. They want to leadership in the whole world because they know that it's only give the good result to us. Why? It's why how it's possible because of the money only. As you know that when we give the any, as you know that ancient time the peoples do the trade with the others country. How? Because of the money only. Now we are using the silk type of things, the masalas type of things, the spices that we are using because of the money only. And now we have to, you all know that every person want to be spread their knowledge, spread their skills. How they can spread their skills because of the money only? How is it possible because of the money only? And now all peoples want to be entertainment to them, and many people are suffering with the starvation. How we prevent that? Because of the money only. If we give them food, clothes, so they got some happiness. So we can buy the happiness by the money only. And people said that we can buy the money by the happiness. So it's very wrong because when you go to shop, you just give the smile to shopkeeper. So it give you, so he give you the waitress. No, when you give the money to him, so after that he give you smile or very greatly he give you any product that you want. Thank you.
So by the money, what we cannot do, and by the money there is a financial security, and we can save our future also. And if we save our future, so we can save our career also, and we can achieve our goals by the only because of the money. Because there are so many things that we have to buy for our career. Like we have to become a gamer, so we have to buy these things, and we have to become a footballer or basketballer or cricketer. So we have to buy that things, and that is buy only with the money. And by the money there is also home improvement also. Like if you have a home, so you have to improve your home, and that is not because that will not be improved by your the happiness. That will improve by the money also, because money is very important in our life. So my point is that you can, because saving money can help your the future child, like your child, the child of your child. It can help you, like if you only spreading happiness to your child or someone else, so you could not teach them properly. Because if you only have happiness, so if you don't have money, so you could not able to teach your child properly, and in the future he need to suffer from many things. And also, like you are going to a party, like I went to a party, I am wearing normal clothes, not that expensive clothes. I don't have money. I am happy. I am spreading happiness to people, but the people would think he's a poor. He why did he come to this party? Because the party was from the big family, for a big person who had too much of money. So money can make your reputation in the society. Thank you. I have one more.
So money also plays a very important role in the sector of health, because for example there is some emergency, we will go to the hospital only to treat the patient, and if there is a serious disease we will go to the hospital only. And in the hospital what is needed, money is needed for the patient. Now there is a policy, but not everyone is having the right to use that policy. For example, Ayushman Bharata. So we need money to do the treatment of the person, and in the case of this healthcare, we can't treat the patient with the happiness that the doctor is happy, we are happy that now finally we are in the hospital. We have the example in the Munna Bhai MBBS movie. In that movie there was one scene then in which Munna Bhai's friend was happy, but while being happy also he died. Why? So it plays a very important role in the sector of healthcare. Now there is another sector, respect. In this world, what we need? We all need respect. It can be any respect, any kind of respect. For example, respect from our teachers, friends, and the other people's, strangers, and etc. etc. So because of the money only, we can have because all of these fame, respect, and a societal status.
So my point is that, like, have you ever seen your father while crying? They always spread happiness to us. They don't want to show their financial problems that they have been suffering from. Like every father has been suffering from the financial problem. Everybody know about it. Have you ever seen him crying while crying because of the happiness? He always spread happiness, but most of the time because of the happiness, he he is not able to cry properly, and everybody know stop. If you would stop your cryingness, your emotion for long time, it can give you the heart attack. And if you are not happy and you are spreading happiness, so it can harm yourself, not the other people. And you cannot control your emotion. If you would not control your emotion, so your father has been suffering from the financial problem, everybody know that. So if we would give them financial, if his financial problem would be done from something, from money, it can be done from the money. So his financial problem, his happiness would be there, so we can buy easily the happiness from the money.
As you know that in our home I have one sister, one daughter, one mother, one wife. So when we go send or him to the market to buy the some things, for example, to the groceries type of things, then when they go to outside and some if these are peoples are there and who do the rape of them. So because as you know that the happiness means full of entertainment purposes. So because of that types of things they do that types of things, mean that type of thing that because of that it create a very negative image for our society. And after that their father mother also face the many lot of problems. And he also said that the happiness is good. How you said that? Because in the our whole world, in our India 53 million people are who are suffering by the depression, and 16 million people who don't like the happiness. And do you know when we more happiness and we laugh sometimes and we got a smile type of things, so it create the very big disease that is name is satuphobia. But when we have achievable things, for example we want to more and more money to enhance our personality skills or development, so it create a hallucination in our internal part. So because of that our mind got balances and we know that which time we have to do that type of thing or that type of thing. Thank you.
So I have a quote also that is written by the Carden, and that quote was, "Money is good, money is necessary, and money is freedom." By these lines, can you remember that what he is saying? He is saying that money is good, then the happiness, and money is very necessary in our life, then the happiness, and money is our freedom in our life. So my point is that for the happiness, why we are living here? Because of the government. The government recently used 1 lakh crore on the voting section. Like recently happened, vote was happened recently, and the money that spent it on the vote was 1 lakh crore. You can see this is a big amount. That's why we are able to happy that now we are now we are spreading the happiness because of that money. And after some time, because of the money, the politicians will help us. They will increase our society, make our society good.
Yes, sir. So according to my opinion, that as you know that in our society starvation is going, that every single minute 11% got died because of the starvation only in the whole world. So it's a very bad thing for us. How we prevent that? Because of the money, because of the happiness? No, because of the money only. When we go in front of them and we go the and we give them some rupees to them, when we give the some clothes, some daily resource type of things, so they got happiness. Thank you.
Support करने पर इसके point. So there was a point for Varesh that money can buy freedom and money is freedom. So I want to support this point. For example, in the constitution also it is written we have the right of freedom. But if we don't have money, we really don't have the freedom to buy things, freedom to wear clothes. Because of the money only we are having the freedom. If we don't have any money, our life is meaningless.
So I will tell you about what is the good happiness. So if I will tell you examples. First is we will happiness people are also too all time. His father was very strict, and what is the good, what and he was all time to all time to telling to his children and saying to the this and
So I'm talking about the happiness. Because of the happiness, because of the money. Like today, we can say that because of the money, the many people have the BP sugar. because they have not happiness. And if you see a happy person, so they have not too much BP sugar. In nowadays, the BP sugar is a common problem in the rich peoples. And I can give you example of the that the money is the cause of battle of every war. Like that the British come here for the money and for many things, spices also, but for also the money. And in old days, India is called gold bird. In Hindi, we can say it सोने की पंछी, सोने की चिड़िया. Okay, and and like the Irish said that in the hospital we get the treatment by giving the money. Yes, but in some hospital they give us free treatment, and we can also allow the barter system. Like in the old days, there is a barter system. Thank you.
I have one example. There are a lot of people who want to like traveling in many places, but people when they travel in this situation, they like to travel and they happy for traveling. And there are a lot of people who want to help other person. We can take an example like a person who help other people in their society, and because of this he feel in his body very feeling very happily.
So money is happiness is very important. I have an example. Just take an example of Animal movie. In Animal movie, the owner of the Swasti company is very rich and it has a lot of money. It has lot of He has lot of money, but he doesn't care of her child or her children, and doesn't care of her family members. But it calls happiness is very important for than money. So he has money and he does not have happiness. And thank you.
Happiness is very important in our life because of we win cricket team in match yesterday. Okay, and we are all happy. We did not get money. Okay, we did not get World Cup, but we are happy.
First thing, in your life, you are not enjoying your life without happiness. That's very bad thing. It means you are not enjoying your life. For example, one girl who was very poor and is very but his happiness is his dance, and he like to dance for his happiness, and he dance too good. And then by seeing other dancers and dancing very good, and then one person see them and then see and talk, your dance is very good, I want to uh, visit to you on Mumbai, except I mean in dances, and then I want to make you more good. And then that's his happiness. How it if he was not happy, so how it is possible if he was dancing and happiness?
So I want to tell you about the happiness. One example that we are anytime one child have many strict, and he was not do the anytime, and he was to selling that beds, and now and and he was all time to saying to bad languages on on there to his friends to and his friends was all time to saying you are not you are all time to saying selling this. So what is the your confidence and what is your what is your what is your
So, as the Yugal said that the sir are teaching for the money, yes. But now you can see my example of my own that I'm not giving the sir money to teach me. But sir call me for here for the debate. So your point is that wrong that the sir is teaching for the money. Thank you.